mission for today is simple. Preview 8 homes. What do you mean by preview 8 homes? That means find homes in your neighborhood, in your target neighborhood, that you want to go and just look at. Why would you do that if you're not showing a home? To increase your knowledge, to increase your knowledge of what's available in the area, what homes look like, what different price range homes look like. When you do this on a consistent basis, you're going to see your knowledge skyrocket over time to know if somebody comes up and asks you about a specific neighborhood somewhere, you're going to know exactly what the average price range is. If you get a listing inquiry from a certain neighborhood, you'll be able to know what kind of price point it is. Even without seeing the property itself and touring it, you'll know a range. That sets you apart as a real estate professional, as a real estate expert. When you know these things, because here's what's happening. You're the only one that's going to be doing this. Other agents don't do it. Very few, as a matter of fact. So let's start by increasing your knowledge today. Go find 8 homes over today, tomorrow, the next few days, and go preview those homes. If you want to do more than that, do it. Go for it. Because the more you do, the more you know, the more you increase your knowledge, and the more you will set yourself apart as the real estate source. Go get them.